Today we are drawing something incredibly cute. A tiny fluffy puppy sitting inside a teacup. It's going to be super simple and sweet, and I know you're going to do an amazing job. Would you like to join me? Yeah? Grab your paper and marker or pencil and let's get started. Are you ready? Yeah? So I'm going to use a pencil first for this one and then change to marker later. Okay? So let's start by making a circle for the face. Alright, and now on top of the head, let's give it a fuzzy hair, okay? Alright, now it's time to draw the ears, okay? So it's going to be wavy lines, okay? Watch this. Alright, and now let's draw it back up. Alright, let's do that to the other side. And continue it back up. Okay, good job. So we are going to make an oval shape for the cup, okay? Over here. Okay, now let's do the rim, okay? So we're going to do that same shape again one more time. Alright, the puppy foot will be holding on to this rim, okay? So let's draw that now. So we're going to make some curvy lines over here. Alright, now let's do that to the other side. Okay, let's finish the puppy's body now, okay? Let's make a curve over here. And on the other side. Alright, I think we can now change to markers. Alright, let's do that. Alright, I'm back with my marker. So let's bolden the top of the head first, okay? And now let's continue to the ear. Good job! Alright, let's do that to the other side. Cool! Now let's finish off the face. Got it? Alright. Let's do the feet. Let's do the foot now, okay? Let's add 2 lines on it. Let's do that to the other one. Looking great! Alright, now let's do the back of the body. Are you following along? Well done! Now let's do the rim of the cup, okay? Got it? Alright, now in between the foot. Let's do that. And the rest of the rim. Okay, now before we continue, let's erase these pencil marks, okay? Alright, let's do the face of the puppy now. Let's draw 2 circles as the eyes. And I'm going to add 2 smaller circles inside each eye as the highlight. Okay, let's color that in. Looking good! Now let's add an upside down triangle as the nose. And the mouth. And another curve for the mouth. Looking great! Alright, I think I'm going to add eyebrow as well for this puppy. Okay, now let's work on the rest of the cup, okay? So we're going to make a curvy line over here. Alright, let's do that to the other side. Okay, now let's connect it. Now let's make the base of the cup, okay? So we're going to make 2 short lines. And a curve to connect them. Okay, now this cup is missing its handle. Let's do that. Okay, I think our puppy in the cup is ready to be colored in. Yeah, let's do that. little puppy in the teacup looks so adorable. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so that we can draw again together. Keep on smiling, keep on growing. I hope to see you on the next one, okay? Bye!